The BB Home Spin Mop is the smartest mop you'll ever buy. A mop that'll keep your floors clean every day. Whether you've knocked over a cup of coffee or your bathroom floors are wet, whether you have wood flooring or a tiled one, the BB Home Spin Mop cleans it all. It comes with a microfiber mop head which has super absorbent capacity, so it soaks up the whole mess without a fuss. The mop head is also machine washable, making a clean start super easy. The mop's telescopic pole with a pivoting head helps in 360-degree cleaning, reaching under furniture and hard-to-reach areas to provide effective cleaning. You can clean the mop with the inbuilt spinner for hands-free wringing. And what's more, it comes with an additional mop head refill for hassle-free mopping for a very long time. So say hello to the BB Home Spin Mop. Hands-free cleaning, quick and easy.